4.
254?
Yeah.
254.
250.
What you about to do?
What did you want me to do?
Eat a handful of dog food.
A handful of dog food.
Come on.
For how much?
$20.
We can't do 30.
I can't do 30.
You can't do 30.
$20, you on handlebars.
You can't do 30. Cause I'm on handle. You can't do 30. I need it in my life, man.
Juggalo, tell him.
Money.
Everybody's
He
watching.
can't do 20.
Hold on. Everybody that's watching.
Everybody throw in.
Do y'all understand the words that's coming out of his mouth?
What's coming out your mouth? What's coming out your mouth?
I'm just mad because I'm losing and somehow I
Hey, but you about to be winning when you eat dog food.
See, right when you said that fucking shit.
My bad. Let me
Get
go
away from Yoshi.
Yeah, Yoshi sitting sticking.
Right here. Right here. Eat a handful. Eat a handful.
I gotta pay for it. Give me 200 and I eat a handful of dogs. And I eat it all, the big handful.
This right here. Eat a handful. Eat it.
$200?
No, not 200.
At least a bill.
Hell no.
To eat a handful. I'ma grab it big. And I'ma down beer.
No, grab it big for 20.
20.
You already out of money.
Look.
How much is it? I can't see it. Hold on. Yeah. That's not a handful.
For $20?
Scratch that and make it
Serious.
that's only a couple of kernels.
That's dog food though. It's a couple
More
of dog food.
Hey.
You ain't got $20 right now. Hit it.
That's like about 10.
That's what I'm saying,
15.
Crystal. That's only 10.
To me.
That's at least 15.
I mean,
That's only 10.
I don't eat dog food.
neither do I.
Motherfucker, that's 10. I'll give you 10 for that.
Exactly. So I can't get 20 for this.
No, 10 for that.
You can't give me 15.
Get in the light.
You can't give me 15.
I'll give you 15. Do it. Dog food up in the motherfucking place. He ate it. That's dog food. No, 10. That's only 10. You didn't even eat it. Eat it. Motherfucker, eat it. Is that dog food? How does it taste? Do you feel wild like a dog? Oh! You feel like biting people? Oh, it's all over your gums. You just ate dog food. Hey, Adam. You got Purina? Purina? Purina. Like the soft dog food?
Yeah.
He just ate dog food.
My dog food?
Yeah. You said dog food.
That's a G right there.
If you throw it up, I'm not giving you $10.
I'm not gonna blow up.
I'm not giving you $10.
AD nigga, the dub side.
I ain't $20.
Yes, sir.
AD nigga all day.
YouTube
85,
star?
baby, you already know.
YouTube star. Eat it.
I'm on though. I can't pay out a little.
Eat it, man. How much beer is left? Is any beer? Fuck, man.
That's like 2.5 bars. I'm feeling like.
Oh.
Oh. Here it comes.
I gotta.
But
fucking-
even if I throw up, I still get the money, huh?
No.
No? Okay, hold on.
Did you swallow it?
Yeah? I just got crumbs
Wait.
in my mouth.
I have Purino, don't I?
Purina.
Oh yeah, that shit don't taste good.
No, you don't have Purina. He ate the chunks, like the hard shit.
That's what I'm saying. I have some other shit.
Get him the Purina.
I don't have no.
No.
It's a bunny roll, nigga.
Oh.
Hey, thanks, my
Yeah,
nigga.
you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I look.